This was the last report I created. All the months data is here for the year 2017. Now I am going to import 2 more years data for the year 2018 and for the year 2019. So what I will do, I will go again into Power Query, transform data. So this is the Power Query screen. This is the PNL we imported, like after performing some transformation steps and after cleansing of data. We have these columns: code, description, months, amounts, and this is the mapping table which we just created because we wanted to map our PNL with reference to these codes, and that was the sequence which we used, so that the account items should be coming in a proper sequence. Now I'm going to import 2018 data. So for this purpose, I will use a shortcut. I will create duplicate of this PNL and then I will change the source file. So right click on this PNL table, right click, duplicate. So this is a duplicate table, duplicate file created. Now I will rename this to 2018. All right. So this is the same file with all the transformation steps and cleansing steps already there. I will go in source, file path is this. This is for the year 2017. Now I will browse. Now I'm going to import additional PNL data for the year 2018. Click, open, OK. Now 2018 data is here. We can see 2018 is here. So if I want to use the steps which I have already done in the table named PNL, I will go in the last step of applied steps so that I can have all the transformation steps and data cleansing steps already done. If I click here, I will get an error, expression error. This error is coming because when I did the cleansing and data transformation steps, I used the file with the year 2017. So I will check that where is the error. So I will go in prior steps, same error. So I want to identify the point from where the error started. Change type, navigation. So till this point there is no error. So if I click on change type, the error is here. So what should I do? I will remove this. I will delete this step, change type, because from here I think it's pulling the year. So since I am now using a new year file, so I will delete this. Delete step. Are you sure you want to delete this step? Deleting this step may affect subsequent steps, which could cause your query to break. Okay, fine. I want to delete it. So now if I go in the last step of the applied steps, fine, 2018 is here. It's a magic. So all the all the data cleansing steps, all the data formatting steps are already there. I don't need to repeat all the steps which I have already done in the file of 2017, which I just did a few moments ago. Okay, now I also want to import additional data for the year 2019. So I will create a duplicate of this 2018 table, duplicate. I will rename it to 2019. Okay. Now I will again go to source, click on the settings. Again, the file path for the year 2018 is here, but I need now 2019 file, which is there in the same folder. Browse. Here, it's here in the same folder, additional PNL data 2019. Open. Okay. Now if I go into the last step, there is no error because all the steps which I performed in this table of 2019, when I deleted the step of changed type, it's already there. It's already been performed by the Power Query. So simple. So now I will check the data type is coming as any. No, I need it text. Months is fine, is date, and amounts I need data type as decimal number. Now if I go into 2018, again the amount is data type is decimal number, should be decimal number. Its month should be date, description should be text, and code should be text. It's fine. Okay, now close and apply. So we have now PNL mapping table, PNL table, mapping table, measures, 2018 data table, 2019 data table. Close and apply. Now all the query changes will be applied in this Power BI. Applying query changes. If I go into data in the modeling, so two more tables are here, 2018 and 2019. But since the concept which we are using in relationships is that there should be one fact table and there should be one dim table. So the penal data, there cannot be more than one fact table. So fact table here is PNL, and the dim table here is dimension table, here is mapping. So 2018 and 2019 is the table is also here. So we cannot have more than one fact table, because the dimension table is here, and the purpose of this relationship, this approach, this snowflake approach, is that we can filter all the data from dim table. We can filter the fact table data from the dim table. So what I will do, what should I do? I will merge, I will consolidate this 2018 table and 2019 table in this PNL table. So I will use append query option. I will go again into the Power Query, transform data. I will consolidate, or I will append this 2018 and 19 table into this PNL table. So I will click on PNL. I will go here, append queries. So I don't want to create a new table. So I will not use this append queries as new. I will use only append queries. So that 2018 and 19 tables will be appended in this PNL table. So append queries, click. If more than 2, 3 or more tables, we have 3. So I will click on here. PNL current is already there. So I will click on 2018 and then 2019. Okay. Now I want to check whether these two tables of 2018 and 19 are they appended in this PNL table. I will check. I will drop down the months 18 and 19. So 2018 and 19 data is also being consolidated here in this PNL table. Fine. So I don't want this, so I will disable load. I will click here, disable load, possible data loss warning. I want to continue because I don't want this, because it's already consolidated in PNL table. 19 again, disable load. So all the data, the additional data which I wanted in the same in one PNL table is already being there. PNL. Now I will close and apply to see the visuals. Now I will click here. So let me go and check the PNL, the mapping, PNL months. So if I uncheck months, and if I again, and if I delete year, quarter, expand, I will put months in column. Now I can see that there is 2017 data is here, 2018 data is here, and 2019 data is here. If I want to further expand, So if I don't want date, so if I delete year, so all the months will be coming here. Okay, so we have now 2017, 18 and 19 data, as we can see from here. I want to put here in columns, so it will come automatically. So all the 2017, 18 and 19 data is here. So in the next video, or like maybe I will continue this in the next video, I am going to use the calendar auto option, and we can see that how using calendar auto option we can have more dynamic data. So now what I will do, I will just uncheck this. In fact, not in the next video, I will continue this video, and like in the next phase I will use calendar auto option, and I will not use this months table. Instead I will use calendar auto table, and so that we can dynamically analyze the data quarter wise, year wise, because this months table has fewer options. With calendar auto table we will have more options. Uncheck, so we have only accounts name and amounts. Okay, now I will go into data. I will create a new table named calendar auto. Sorry, it should be date is equal to calendar auto, bracket open, bracket close. So all the years data is there, 2017, 18, 19. As we discussed before that, since the PNL has 3 years data, PNL has data for the year 2017, 2018 and 2019. So calendar auto automatically pulled 3 years data, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, now this is this the color is blue because we have used the calendar auto option. Okay, now so the date table is here. Now what I will do, I will use a filter. I will use date hierarchy. First I will use year, again list, and I need horizontal, yes, I will put here. Okay, 2017, 18, 19. It's not moving, data is not moving because the relationship is not established. So we will go in model, date table is here, so I will drag and drop date over months. Now the relationship is there. If I go in the report and I will click on 18, the data is moving. So it means that once the relationship is established, the data will be dynamically moving. 18, 19. Now I want quarterly data. So again, filter, and I will click on quarter. So that again I need horizontal, general. Horizontal is easy to present. Okay. Now for 2019 quarter 1, for 2019 quarter 2, for 2019 quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay. So easy.